Hi, and welcome back. We are continuing on our Period 9 primary source review with a new theme. This theme is politics and power, and the document that we're looking at today is going to be Barack Obama's victory speech from the 2008 election. Here is the excerpt. He says, "I was never the likeliest candidate for this office. We didn't start with much money or many endorsements. Our campaign was not hatched in the halls of Washington. It began in the backyards of Des Moines, in the living rooms of Concord, and the front porches of Charleston. It was built by working men and women who dug into what little savings they had to give $5 and $10 and $20 to the cause. You did it because you understand the enormity of the task that lies ahead. For even as we celebrate tonight, we know the challenges that tomorrow will bring are the greatest of our lifetime. 2 wars, a planet in peril, the worst financial crisis in a century." All right, so here's the theme, politics and power, and what the College Board has to say about it. It says the theme focuses on how different social and political groups have influenced society and government in the United States, as well as how political beliefs and institutions have changed over time. So the 2008 election definitely shows us how different social groups are impacting society and government, and we're also seeing how political beliefs and institutions are changing over time. Well, we're going to see that definitely with the historical situation. But first, let's get to the attribution. We need the document's title, the author, and then a summary of the document. That is, in his 2008 election victory speech, President-elect Obama celebrates the achievement of the election and looks forward to the challenges his administration faces. The historical situation, here's where we're going to see how political beliefs and institutions have changed over time. Barack Obama was the first black president elected to the White House. This was significant given the nation's history of discriminatory laws and race issues. For our audience, Obama's audience were Democratic supporters on election night who had just received the news of the victory. They were helpful to his election and thus make sure to thank them for their support and belief in his campaign. As he said, he did not feel like he had a good shot at winning from the point that he started. And the purpose here is, Obama's purpose is to celebrate the achievement and thank his supporters. In his speech, he recounts the insurmountable odds that were overcome and gives the credit to his supporters. And then finally, for the perspective, being the first black man elected president would not have been lost on President-elect Obama, yet his speech does not frame his election victory as an individual, and he very much is willing to give the credit to everyone who voted for him. All right, so hopefully you can see how this document fits right into this politics and power theme. We're starting to see changes in political institutions. We're starting to see how different social groups are impacting government with the types of people who were voting for President Obama, and then President Obama himself being the first black man elected president. That is significant. All right, thank you for watching. Please come back when we do another primary source here in Period 9 that is going to be attached to a different theme. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.